As usual, every day we get updated figures of the number of COVID-19 cases here in the UK and the number of deaths. They have just come in. Let's speak to Sky's Inzamam Rashid in our newsroom. Inzamam, what are the figures today?
So this is the latest from the Department of Health as they put out their update, usually around this time every day. They say that as of 9 a.m. on the 29th of March, a total of 127,737 have been tested. Of that, 108,215 have come back negative. 19,522 have come back positive. And as of 5 p.m. on the 28th of March, yesterday, of those hospitalised in the UK, 1,228 have sadly died. So up from yesterday's notification from the Department of Health, it is increased by 209 deaths. Now, my calculations suggest that's around a 20% increase, which is down from the previous day. We saw around a 34% increase in the previous day. This is a 20% increase, but still an incredibly high number. And the UK is on that upward curve of COVID-19 in terms of the number of people who are dying on a daily basis. And whilst the government is trying to flatten that curve with the number of measures they've introduced, those numbers are still continuing to arise. So just a clarification on that for you, Kimberly. 1,228 people have died according to the latest government figures. A bit about the testing as well. The testing yesterday at this time was 120,776. That's gone up by just shy of 7,000. Earlier today, Michael Gove telling Sophie Ridge that testing would be around 10,000. So maybe in tomorrow's figures, we will see that slight increase of the number of people that have been tested. So far, there is an increase of 7,000. We saw 7,000 people being tested from yesterday's figures as well. I'll just bring you the Welsh figures as well, Kimberly. A further 10 people have died in Wales after testing positive for coronavirus. Now, that brings their total deaths to 48. That's from Public Health Wales. Totally in the UK, we're seeing 1,228 deaths. That's an increase of 209 from the previous results.